Hi folks, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic version of our Apple Pie Julep, which is on our current cocktail masterclass menu. For this, we teamed up with Lyre and we're using the American Malt, which is very close to what a bourbon should be like, but non-alcoholic. And then throw in some cinnamon and some mint and some citrus, and you end up with a beautiful little julep. So I hope you like it. Enjoy. See you soon.
Alright guys, it's Kay. I'm here at TT Liquor again, and I'm going to be showing you a non-alcoholic version of a new drink from our cocktail class menu. This is our Apple Pie Julep. For this one, we've got this really delicious Lyre's American Malt. This uses real malt and rye and has that really kind of rich whiskey-like flavour to it. Now we want about 40 mils of our American Malt. I've got some cinnamon syrup here, and we want about 20 mils of our cinnamon syrup. And I want about 30 mils of my apple juice. I'm going to fill this up about 2/3, 3/4 of the way up with some crushed ice. I'm going to take my bar spoon, cover the top, and give that all a good kind of churn and a mix in there. I'm just going to top it up with a little splash of ginger beer just to give it some extra kind of nice spicy depth. Only about 10 or 20 mils of ginger beer. So I'll take some more crushed ice, just pile that on top, gently just use my hand to form that into a dome. And then finally we can garnish this. So I've got a little apple fan, and then just grab a sprig of mint and pop that next to it. I'm just going to grab myself a bar napkin and we're going to give it a little jacket. So I'll fold this in half, make a triangle, and just take each of these corners, dip them in a little bit of water, and those wet corners are going to stick to the outside of the tin. That is our alcohol-free Apple Pie Julep, ready to drink.